You are watching how to install Need for Speed Edge, and this is the Unbox Guy. What's up guys, Moosa here back with another episode of the Mr. Android, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to install the Need for Speed Edge. It is not released yet, so let's start. So you need to download the APK file, just APK file, no data or no OBB file. You just need to download the APK file, link in description of course. So when you download it, just go to your file manager, locate at your location like I have in Blender app, and there you can see it is Need for Speed, which is Need for Speed Edge. Of course you need to install it. It will take few seconds, so wait for it. By the way, you can visit my page www.facebook.com/MrAndroidGuru, MrAndroidGuru. So you can visit my page. Almost done. Will take few more seconds. As you can see, the Need for Speed Edge has been installed, so now open it. So as you can see, it is loaded. Press cross, press the start. What is this? So I don't know Chinese. I think this is Chinese. Just click the orange button. Now press the green button. And type your email there and password here. So I will type my email and press the orange button again, and will take some time to load. And as you can see, it is loaded. Now press back button and press green button. It is also a loading screen of Need for Speed Edge. So guys, this is not released yet, so that's why we are facing that difficulties. Otherwise we just want to download it from Play Store and play it. So this is not released yet. You can wait or play the beta version. This is the beta version of Need for Speed Edge. That's why it is in Chinese. So yes, wow, a great car. So try multiplayer mode. Pick arena. Connection unstable, but my Wi-Fi is on. So I just sign in this game, and if you sign up the game, you will play the first level of this game, which is very great. You can drift your car, put a nitro in your car and tilt it with buttons or with sensor. So I just played it, and in my 5.5 the second round is not working. So this is the video of how to install the Need for Speed Edge beta version. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Please subscribe and visit my page. Peace.